The Lean Startup is a book written by Ries, which discusses the process of starting and building a successful startup. The book is based on the concept of lean manufacturing, which is a methodology that aims to eliminate waste and optimize production. The book is divided into 3 parts: Vision, Steer, and Accelerate. Part 1, Vision. The first part of the book introduces the concept of the lean startup and the importance of having a clear vision. Ries argues that a startup is not just a smaller version of a large company, but rather a temporary organization designed to search for a scalable and repeatable business model. He emphasizes the importance of having a vision for the startup, which includes the company's mission, values, and strategy. Part 2, Steer. The second part of the book focuses on the steering process of a startup. Ries explains that the key to success is not just having a vision, but also being able to adapt and pivot when necessary. He introduces the concept of validated learning, which is the process of testing hypotheses and learning from feedback. This is done through a cycle of build measure learn, which involves creating a minimum viable product, MVP, measuring its success, and then using that feedback to improve the product. Part 3, Accelerate. The third part of the book focuses on the acceleration process of a startup. Ries explains that once a company has validated its business model, the goal is to accelerate growth and scale the business. He introduces the concept of innovation accounting, which is a process of measuring progress in a way that aligns with the company's vision and goals. Throughout the book, Ries emphasizes the importance of being lean and avoiding waste in all aspects of a startup. He also emphasizes the importance of being customer-focused and using feedback to drive innovation. Overall, the Lean Startup provides a practical and actionable framework for building a successful startup. The book is a must-read for entrepreneurs, investors, and anyone interested in building a successful business. Important takeaways. Here are some important takeaways from The Lean Startup by Ries. Focus on creating a minimum viable product, MVP. The idea of the MVP is to create a basic version of your product that has just enough features to satisfy early adopters and get feedback. This helps to minimize the risk and cost of building a product that no one wants. Practice validated learning. The build measure learn cycle is a process of creating a hypothesis, testing it, and then using the feedback to make informed decisions. This approach helps to ensure that you are building something that customers actually want. Pivot when necessary. Startups need to be agile and able to change course quickly when something isn't working. By measuring progress and getting feedback, you can identify when it's time to pivot to a new strategy or product. Embrace experimentation. Experimentation is a key component of the Lean Startup methodology. It allows you to test ideas quickly and efficiently, and make data-driven decisions based on the results. Be customer-focused. Customer feedback is essential to the Lean Startup process. By listening to customers and understanding their needs, you can build a product that solves real problems and provides value. Measure what matters. Innovation accounting is a way of measuring progress that aligns with your company's vision and goals. By focusing on the metrics that matter, you can ensure that you are making progress towards your objectives. Overall, the Lean Startup provides a practical and actionable framework for building a successful startup. The book emphasizes the importance of being lean, customer-focused, and data-driven in all aspects of your business.